நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
Take place while still the uterus is intact. Make it function properly and let the untoward feelings and the sufferings go. Let it come back to its normalcy again. But this doctor knows only to remove the uterus, nothing more she knows. She removes the uterus and then says that I have cured you, and I also accept that she has cured me. You are given so many tests, subjected to so many investigations. This investigation is necessary for the doctor or for you. Then why do you carry the report home? Why do you carry the report home? For the money you spent, at least this I can carry home. If this is our attitude, then the doctors are flourishing upon us. You throw the investigations on the doctor's table, say, I want a cure, I don't want the report. I don't want the report, you keep the report, don't give it to me, I am not a doctor. You keep the report and give me the health I wanted. No doctor will ever subject you again for any investigation. Absolute frauds, you must understand. I was a fraud and I was a killer until 1986, as long as I was practicing allopathy. In the best sense, all along I have been struggling with the professors. When I entered my fourth year of study, bacteriology, after the bacteriology, pathology. What is pathology? A cell, from the beginning of destruction to the end of destruction, is pathology, the process of pathology. They call it pathogenesis. Pathos means suffering or destruction. The process of destruction is called pathology. What causes the destruction is the real force behind, right? What causes the destruction is the real force behind. Suppose I hold a paper and it is hanging still. I wave with a fan and it starts trembling and moving. Yes, it is moving. It is not standing still. It is wavering. Now I know it is fluttering. Something is wrong. I see here, science sees this, but not the force that is causing it. All the scientific approach are materialistic and they have nothing to have anything concrete as evidential concepts. They have the thesis and hypothesis of pure imagination. Any thesis, any hypothesis is not only imagination but is hallucination. Nothing is true. We are being mesmerized. The louder the talk, the more we hear, the easier we are lost in the deepest of woods. Thereafter, even a small light, I want to hold on to it, but that light is not my way. Find out from your own instincts and intuition what I should follow now. The pathology is, as the fan is running faster and faster, this movement is getting stronger and finally it is torn. That is pathology. The destruction, beginning of destruction to the end of destruction is pathology. Once the destruction has started, you are not going to do anything about it. The energy lines, energy force is now gaining momentum unless you stop this momentum. This is acupuncture, the base of acupuncture. Energy system. It understands the energy system. No other system understands the energy lines. So the pathology is a very visible, scientifically well known. It sees to believe. There is no need to believe when you see it. Any dog can see and believe it. You are human beings. Perceive. Perceptional quality is exceptional quality of man. Believe in that. Don't forget to lose your heart. The more you believe in the wisdom, the gateway of knowledge is opened. A fresh lease of life with fresh knowledge, you go forward. Whatever knowledge we have is about the past. Whatever knowledge we need is with regard to the future. So new knowledge is necessary. The old knowledge is insufficient. It is like jumping halfway through a well with half-hearted knowledge, application of knowledge. Jumping with all your strength, only half-hearted, you are crossing half well, no more than that. Don't believe in the knowledge. Essentially believe in your heart. The need is there within me, but no knowledge is available in the entire world to apply this. Now believe the knowledge has to sprout and blossom from the wisdom. The gateways of wisdom will open and the knowledge will come out. That is the beginning of my life. That is the beginning of my strength. When I don't want this allopathy to be practiced yet, I am not simply shutting down my clinic and staying home. I am deeply inside of me. I want something there. The whole world denounces this. But there is a strong reinforcement from within me that there must be a way, because there is something so good in my heart. I should not give medication. All medication is wrong. Every medicine is chemical. Every food is biological. You need food or chemical. Food is biological, giving you life. Medicine is non-biological, takes your life away. You need medicine or food? Food. We must know how to eat food. We must know how to drink. The drinking and food modalities must be assessed today. There is a fever. What you will do now? If you listen to the people, then they will say bread, bun, pal, milk, Horlicks, even worse. Chemicals they will be giving, but they will be restricting the food. Follow your instincts, follow your intuition. Every single movement will be guided by your intuition. This is the major guiding force for me, the intuitive force. Don't follow the institutional elements. Be a man of intuition. Now all of you know how to tackle a fever. Fever is the most dreaded one that we can have in our family. Immediately the fever must be put down. No, respect the fever. When the fever comes, you will know the bodily mechanism, normal bodily mechanism, the natural mechanism is to help my digestion, to help my activity, physical activity, and to a little extent my mental activity also. This is for what we require energy. In some untoward situations, serious situations, or an inimical force entering into my body and the defense force now starts. Like a war develops between India and Pakistan, all the resources are mobilized there. I have to suffer a little bit. All my things are given away to protect my borders. Likewise, when a difficult situation starts to fight against a disease, there is a war going on. So, all my physical energy is now diverted into defense energy. This you can understand very well. I wanted a board, but I think the board is not necessary. You can understand very well without a board. There is everything that I am speaking to you, what you already know. I am not speaking anything that you do not know. When you are acknowledging me, that means I am not telling anything new. I am